Welcome back, viewers. Now, shifting our focus to the top story that we're tracking at this point of time, the National Investigation Agency is conducting searches at 7 locations in Jammu and Kashmir. The searches are in connection with the Shiv Khori terror attack case, and the locations being searched are linked to hybrid terrorists and overground workers. Several unidentified terrorists have opened fire on a passenger bus that was taking Hindu pilgrims from the Shiv Khori cave to Katra. Following this firing, 9 people have been killed and 41 have been injured as the bus had crashed. Remember, viewers, in the view of the much awaited and anticipated elections in Jammu and Kashmir, security has been heightened already, and as the second phase of polling in Jammu and Kashmir concluded just day before yesterday, these incidents have also in the valley have started raising concerns over the security of the civilians. In fact, as third phase of polling is expected to be held on 1st of October. Well, joining me right now for sharing more details is my colleague Ajay. Ajay, very good morning to you. And as we can understand at this point of time, searches in Jammu and Kashmir at several different locations are being conducted, particularly as far as there has been an attack on the bus that was carrying pilgrims. What was the intention? Has the Jammu and Kashmir security police and forces have been able to identify the perpetrators? What exactly is the situation that you are tracking closely from the ground?
Well, see, National Investigation Agencies, leaving no stone unturned, so that they can unearth the network of the terrorist and overground worker in the Jammu and Kashmir. Because we have seen that after that incident, in which bus which was carrying pilgrims was moving from Shiv Khori to Katra, that was attacked by the terrorists, and 3 to 4 terrorists those who Pony, and nine pilgrims, they lost their life. More than 30 pilgrims were injured in that incident. And during that investigation, Jammu and Kashmir police, they have arrested one Hakam Deen, who basically lives in the Rajouri district, and he was basically accompanying the terrorist, and he gave all the support and other logistic what they were required to carry out that attack. And after that investigation was begun and Hakam Deen was arrested, they got some specific input about some involvement of the people in that area, and still because the terrorists, they were not arrested, so that's why they are still at the large investigation. Extending help to these terrorists to carry out that attack and also to disrupt peace in this area. And that's why fresh raids has started by the National Investigation Agency in Riasi and Rajouri area to ensure that every part of the investigation has to be checked, and if any involvement of any person is seen, then they'll be taking action against them. So it is required as well, because we have seen that in the recent past that number of terrorists, those who have infiltrated to Jammu region, they are hiding in the different locations. They are continuously trying to
All right, Ajay. Thank you for sharing the latest that you're tracking as far as the National Investigation Agency is conducting searches, in fact, across 7 locations in Jammu and Kashmir. And at this given point of time, with the recent terror attack where the bus carrying the Hindu pilgrims was attacked, in fact, now killing 9 people. All right, viewers. Now moving on to another